Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on a Motorola Moto G5S Plus and you do not have your passcode. We can bypass that passcode and actually erase it. Keeping in mind it will reset the whole phone and it will erase everything off the phone, the passcode, but also your contacts, your apps, everything. It'll be like a brand new phone. So to do that, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to, from our phone being off, we're going to press and hold the volume down and the power button simultaneously until this screen pops up. And when this screen pops up, we're going to use the volume buttons to scroll through the options. Right now it's on start. We're going to scroll through until we get to this recovery mode option. And we're going to hit the power button in order to confirm it. And so once we hit the power button to confirm it, the screen will change to a no command screen with a little robot lying down. Once that happens, you will hit the power button and the volume up button. And once you hit the power button and the volume up button, it will toggle you into this recovery mode. From the recovery mode, again, using the volume buttons, we can toggle down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to select it. We'll get then a confirmation, toggle to factory data reset, and we'll hit the power button to confirm. Now, once you hit that power button, everything will be wiped off the phone and it will be like a brand new phone. So once it does that, you can go ahead and reboot it. And when it turns on, it will turn on like it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.